BRICS is an acronym for a group of 5 major emerging economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The term was originally coined as BRIC by economist Jim O'Neill in 2001 to highlight the growing influence of these 4 countries on the global economy. BRIC began functioning as a formal group during the G8 Outreach Summit in 2006, held its first summit in Russia in 2009. In 2010, South Africa joined the group, turning it into BRICS. The main aim of BRICS is to promote economic cooperation, development, and a multipolar world order. These countries hold annual summits and work together in areas like trade, infrastructure, finance, and global governance and challenge the traditional dominance of Western powers in global affairs. BRICS represents about 40% of the world's population and 25% of global GDP. At the 2023 Johannesburg Summit, BRICS invited 6 new countries, namely Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and UAE to join, indicating a shift toward creating a broader BRICS Plus alliance. BRICS created a strong foundation for cooperation among developing countries, South-South cooperation, promoting mutual economic growth, development, and political dialogue. BRICS countries have consistently called for reforms in global financial and political institutions like the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and United Nations Security Council, UNSC, aiming to make them more representative of developing nations. In 2023, BRICS leaders emphasized the use of national currencies like the rupee, yuan, and ruble for bilateral trade and supported the idea of a new BRICS financial architecture. The idea of a BRICS currency has emerged in recent years as part of the bloc's effort to reduce dependency on the US dollar in international trade. While no official common currency exists yet, BRICS countries have discussed creating a shared trading currency or alternative payment system to enhance financial sovereignty and promote trade in local currencies. Sanctions on Russia, after the 2022 Ukraine conflict, and threats to other BRICS countries exposed the risks of being tied to Western-controlled systems like SWIFT, IMF, and World Bank. This encouraged the group to create alternative payment systems and consider a shared currency, and thereby they sought financial independence and wanted to avoid vulnerabilities caused by dollar fluctuations and US monetary policy. Key initiatives of BRICS: New Development Bank, 2014, Contingent Reserve Arrangement, CRA, BRICS Grain Exchange, BRICS Rapid Information Security Channel, STI Framework Program, 2015, etc. The 17th BRICS Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil on the 6th and 7th July 2025, under the theme, Strengthening Global South Cooperation for a More Inclusive and Sustainable Governance. The members discussed deeper trade and investment ties, including expanding use of local currencies and digital payments such as BRICS Pay. Key outcomes: strong condemnation of tariff hikes and unilateral sanctions, expressing concern over US protectionism. Denounced military strikes in Gaza and Iran, calling for an immediate ceasefire and a 2-state solution for Palestine. Condemned the Pahalgam attack, affirming a zero-tolerance stance against terrorism. The growing geopolitical importance of BRICS reflects the shift from Western-led global dominance to a more balanced, multipolar world.